Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thank you for tuning in to a Happy Mail episode. What's Happy Mail? Well, I'm happy and this is mail. Anytime you send a large package to the show, I'm going to film it, I'm going to record it, and I really want to see what's inside here. This ginormous package is from Haas and Hannah and Owen at Kilter Homestead. We have been talking a ton, Haas and I, and we've become friends. And he sent me this package, and I really want to know what's inside of it. He was my 1,000th subscriber, so I sent him a package. When I hit 1,000 a few months back. And he has sent me a package today. He did warn me, and he did say that there was a lot of tape on here, and I said, that's okay. My grandmother, to this day, still wraps stuff up really well, so I came prepared. So I am triple excited to see what in the world is in the box. Oh, and by the way, I finally found a good reason to wear this shirt. It's one of my favorite Christmas shirts, but I was looking at what I wanted to wear today, and I'm like, I can't possibly wear any other shirt because this kind of says it all. Now, did I do it? Did I get it? No, there's still tape. You were telling the truth, Hoss. I missed the clear tape. I just cut the red tape. I cut right through the red tape. You're hearing it here first, folks. More politicians should take after me, because you know what I'm doing? Cut through the red tape. That's exactly. Oh, there we go. Oh, and he told me. You know what? He told me there was an email to explain all this, and I don't have that queued up. So as soon as I get this tape cut here in just 12 seconds, I'm not going to open it yet. Okay, it's open. I'm gonna pull up his email real quick so I can read the instructions. And I'll be right back. All right, so I've got the email queued up. So I want to open this, and then I will read the email and see if I have any questions about anything. Oh man, it's like Christmas morning. That's one great thing about having a Christmas show is it's like Christmas morning. Oh, wow. See, I'm a fan of stickers. I've been looking into getting stickers for myself, but that is sharp. I actually love stickers. I actually like magnets and stickers. So that's pretty dang cool right there. Got ourselves a nice off-kilter. And I love your logo. I don't know if I've ever told you that, but look at that. You got the farm. It kind of says it all. You got the tree. Off-kilter homestead. I like that. You got the black, the white with the green. Ooh, what else we got? Bubble wrap. Yeah, that's awesome. Bubble wrap. Heck yeah. Got some more bubble wrap. Ooh. Okay, so he has given us here Gator, Hammock, Cooter, Rubb, 6.5. That's pretty cool, but wait, there's more. So Gene and I are huge into spices. Everglades Seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, very nice. And I also have outside, I don't think I've ever put it into a video, but I have a 7-foot tall Yoder smoker. It's I was going to say an incline index smoker. It's a offset smoker, but it's 7 feet tall. It's huge. It'll be the one and only smoker ever owned. Everglades fish and chicken. Very nice because I eat a ton of chicken. Boom, that is phenomenal. That'll go right on. I forgot to take the chain off my dog, Beta. He sounds like Santa Claus if I don't take it off of him. There you go. Here, come up, say hi. Beta. This is Beta. Say hi to Hoss. He's got other fish to fry. We have a ton of rabbits in our backyard. He likes chasing. All right, so bubble wrap. What do we got here? Still got the scissors here. What do we got here? Yeah, we have. This is fun. Ooh, I bet you it's sauce. Oh, we have here Cigar City hot sauce, smoked jalapeno. I love smoking jalapenos. You core the jalapeno out, put some cream cheese in there, bacon bits, Just put some cheddar or whatever kind of cheese you like. Throw that in the oven for 30 minutes. I actually prefer it on the smoker. Heck yeah, that's awesome. Ooh, I love a good smoked jalapeno. Let's see here, what else we got here? Ooh, cool. We have here Everglades Cactus Dust Barbecue Rub. Mesquite flavored. Tasting is believing. Very cool. This stuff, I've been looking, I was actually, my kids were asking last weekend if I was going to smoke, and I'm like, I just don't have time, got too much stuff going on. We're 4 weeks away from when we start hanging Christmas lights, because yeah, it takes me that long. So I'm trying to rush and get through all my programming. I still have 4 more songs I haven't even started yet for this year's show. Gator Hancock, Gator Sprinkle, put that right next to the Gator Rub. So cool. What is this? This is something he was talking to me about on Haas's show, off Kilter Homestead. On Haas's show, he and his brother-in-law. Oh, look at that. The One Chip Challenge. The One Chip Challenge. He and I are actually talking about doing this together. You can't even get these anymore. You can't buy them, you can't earn them, can't win them. You cannot find these anymore. The One Chip Challenge. And I don't know the Scovilles on here. I'll find out the Scovilles and I'll put it down. I want to say it's a million. I may be wrong. But yeah, after this, hell should be easy. That's like a Johnny Cash tagline that never happened. The One Chip Challenge. That is awesome. Yeah. All right, what else we got going on here? What is this? What is this? What? And tarnation. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Have we seen that somewhere before? I think so. My goodness. How did you get the font right? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Holy moly. I'll have to put a close-up of this, but she even got the dancing Santa Claus on the Hawaiian shirts, or surfing Santa Claus on the Hawaiian shirts. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. This is from Hannah. This is from Hannah because she is an artist. Look at that. Yeah, Happy Mail. Yeah, I think Happy Mail. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Got the color spot on. Got the font. Got the mascots. Got our trim. Oh my goodness. Woo-wee. Wow. Okay. All right. Thank you ever so much, Haas and Hannah and Owen. Oh my goodness. Permanent. This will be permanent back here. You'll start seeing these. I have a few shows that have already been filmed. I haven't released yet, but on the new ones, permanent edition. We now have to the backdrop of Christmas on Crestline. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Heck yeah. Let's look at the email real quick. Oh, I forgot the sticker. Let's look at the email real quick. Wow. Wow. All right. Haas reads, thank you for all you have done. Hannah and I wanted to put together a box for you with some things you might not have in your area. And I don't have any of this in my area. Everything is from Central Florida. The Gator Sprinkle is an all-around great seasoning. The Gator Sprinkle is an all-around great seasoning. Whereas the Cooter Rub has a small kick. And I like spice. Great on ribs and steak. Everglades is another delicious all-purpose seasoning. These two. All-purpose seasoning that's made in the town next to us. If you have ever watched the channel Deer Meat for Dinner, you may know the spice well, and I don't know that show. I do not. Chicken is my favorite for the original. The sauce is made near Tampa. Is my present to go. Incredible flavor with only enough heat to let you know that it's hot sauce. I love pouring this on naked wings and going to town. I think that, yeah, I'm gonna like that as well. The sign was made by Hannah. Thank you, Hannah. For most who don't know, to look, it just seems like your logo. But if you look closer, you'll see she tweaked it a smidge to pick on you with a certain song lyric. She tweaked it a bit to pick on you with a certain song lyric. Well, the first song that comes to mind is I actually designed this guy as kind of a disco to John Travolta's Saturday Night Fever. He looked like he was discoing to me. She tweaked it a bit. She tweaked it a smidge to pick on you with a certain song lyric. So it's not just my logo. Oh, this is like a Where's Waldo? Oh, this is fun. Okay, she tweaked it a bit. Is it the Dancing Santas or the Surfing Santas? No, they're there. Oh, what is in here? You know what? I'm gonna have to pull up my own mascot to see what the difference is. Give me just a second. I don't know if this is fun or if this is embarrassing that I don't know what's on there. Do I have that on Instagram? I do have that on Instagram. Okay. She tweaked it out. So on the Instagram, I have this, but the logo, I have the YouTube logo down here. That's gone. Both the light bulbs are still yellow. That's green. That's blue, white, red. Without looking at it again, because this is what I'm going to be looking for. A while back on one of our Hot Ones episodes, the first one I think, season 1, one of the questions was, what is your least favorite Christmas song? I said Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer, which turns out to be Hannah's favorite. So right now I'm thinking there might be something to do with Grandma on here, getting ran over by a reindeer. Grandma getting run over by a reindeer is what I'm thinking. This is cool. I don't want to keep you all forever. I'm going to keep studying this, and I'll put a picture up of this, a little close-up, and you all tell me if you see it, and I'll put a side-by-side up on Instagram. I'll put this up on Instagram as well. But I love trivia. My youngest son and I, we do trivia every single day. I love trivia. I love puzzles like this. But anyway, I digress. Boom. Haas, Hannah, Owen, thank you ever so much for all of these wonderful, wonderful things. We will use each and every one of them. Haas, get a hold of me about this, and we'll see if we can. That's something we can do together. Oh, and the sticker. I'm a big fan of stickers. I like stickers. See if I can do that. That's about it for today. Put this front and center. I'm Charlie, and I'll see you folks in the next episode.